So today I'm going to teach you how to say the United States of America in Arabic. Hi, how are you? Maha here. I'm super excited to be back, as you can feel. I've been away from you for about a month. This is, by the way, my first video in 2020. I came back to Italy a couple of weeks ago. I was in the Holy Land holding my Arabic course. I'm always blessed and super excited to meet new students coming to my country to learn the language with me, to experience holy places. So I'm really blessed, but I'm also very happy and excited to be continuing these video lessons for you here on YouTube. And today I'm going to start a new series of lessons. So this series of lessons is something that I was asked a lot in my live classes, how to say things in Arabic, and I'm going to add some small things, maybe some examples and grammar, but you will not there will always be grammar in Maha's lessons, okay? So I enrich you, or I give you and I can pass to you some material that you will need a teacher for, because if you want to learn just the vocabulary, just go online and Google the terms and you know how to say them. I love helping you, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to teach you how to say things in Arabic, but I'm going to add a lot of extra information useful for you to be able to add it to your vocabulary list and be able eventually to say it and use it in your spoken Arabic. So today I'm going to teach you how to say the United States of America in Arabic. How to say it and how to say I'm from the United States of America. Is it possible to say America in Arabic apart from saying US? How to use it if you're a female, how to use it if you're male, plural, singular, dual, everything you need to know about how to say the USA in Arabic. Let's begin. So the United States of America, the United States abbreviated, and then of America. I'm going to teach you everything. First I'll say the whole term and then I will explain it to you. الولايات المتحدة الأمريكية. The whole term would be الولايات المتحدة الأمريكية. I'm going to slowly say it, so don't worry for now. Let's explain what this الولايات المتحدة الأمريكية mean, and I want you also to pronounce it to the perfection. So the United States of America in Arabic are الولايات. So al is the, ولايات is the plural of the word ولاية. ولاية means state, and ولاية is a feminine word that, as you can see, ends with the ta marbuta. When it comes into the plural, I hope by now you know it. You see, these are not only vocabulary lessons. These are a little bit complex even lessons, because you have to know the grammar before the one that I'm talking about now. Wilaya is one state. We need states. What happens to the word wilaya in order to transform it into a lot of wilaya? We add the at, which is the symbol for feminine plural. Feminine plural ends with at, but I have wilaya, which ends with ta marbuta. You should know what happens to the ta marbuta and why do we have wilayat as a plural and not wilayatat. Okay, you should know it. If you don't know it, click here. I'll give you in the description below the link to the lesson of how to create feminine gender and what is this ta marbuta about. In short, al-wilayat means the states. Al-wilayat al-muttahida. Why did I say the states, the United in Arabic? Because you should know, or if you still don't know, click on the lesson of adjectives, and this will lead you to understand why do we say the states, the United, and not the United States. So we say al-wilayat al-muttahida. Muttahida. Muttahid, it means united, but describing male objects. Muttahida, with the ta marbuta, you know now, it describes feminine objects. Why is it wilayat muttahida and not muttahidat? You should know it also, because I told you when it comes to adjectives, there is one exception, that if we are describing a plural of animals or objects, then the adjective stays in the singular feminine. It doesn't become plural feminine in this case. It stays in the singular feminine. Okay? Why? Because we're describing al-wilayat, which are the states. Now this lesson might seem a little bit too difficult for you because you're only interested in saying al-wilayat al-muttahida, but no, you made a mistake. This is not the channel for you. If this is something that you're looking for, just simple vocabulary, don't come to Learn Arabic with Maha, because I don't teach simple vocabulary. I teach you the vocabulary that you need, but I teach you why it's made this way and how you can use it. Okay? So al-wilayat al-muttahida. It's not muttahida, it's muttahida. You double the T. Muttahida. متحدة. That's united. So far we have الولايات المتحدة, the states, the united, and you know why we put al on both the noun and the adjective. Now we have another adjective. It's not the United States, it's the American United States, and that's in Arabic how we make it. So another adjective, we put it at the ending. So American. So America is America. America. Again, I want to explain to you, we don't say the United States of America. We don't have of, we don't have this genitive construction, we call it. What we do is we say the United American States, the United States that are American. And how we do it, we add America, not as a noun, but as an adjective. How to make the adjective out of the term America or America? We say Ameriki. Ameriki. So Ameriki actually means American. If you're an American, you are Ameriki. Now, the states, again, are plural of objects. How do we treat plural of objects? As feminine gender, singular feminine. So instead of Amerikiyun or Amerikiyat, we say Amerikiya. We add the ta marbuta, so it's just one singular. Al-Wilayat al-Muttahida al-Amerikiya. Exactly why we put al-Muttahida at the ending with ta marbuta, singular feminine. It's the same reason why we said al-Amerikiya, singular feminine. Okay, why? Because these two words are describing al-Wilayat. Al-Wilayat, it means the states. It's a plural of objects. Plural of objects are treated always as a singular feminine. If the United States of America was beautiful, then we could say Jamila, as a female beautiful, just to simplify it for you. Okay, so al-Wilayat, repeat after me. الولايات المتحدة الأمريكية. الولايات المتحدة الأمريكية. الولايات المتحدة الأمريكية. I'm from الولايات المتحدة الأمريكية. أنا من الولايات المتحدة. Do you always have to say الأمريكية afterwards? No, because الولايات المتحدة, it's the United States. And we usually know when you say الولايات المتحدة, we know you're talking about الولايات المتحدة. Which one? الأمريكية. Alright? Now, if you are American, you don't say أنا ولاياتي متحدة. No, you just use the word أمريكا or أمريكا. The most used one, by the way, is America. Now, let's take America, which means America, or the United States of America. America, if I want to make the adjective out of it, if I'm a male, adjectives usually end with E. So, America, removing the last A, becomes Ameriki. If you're an American, you are Ameriki. If you're a male American, Ameriki. Try. Don't say Ameriki. Ameriki is not Arabic. It can be taken correctly, but in order to write it down and to say it correctly, we would rather say Ameriki rather than Ameriki. Okay? Stop. Ameriki. Ameriki is a man that is American. Amerikiya is a woman that is American. Ameriki and Amerikiya. So A and Iya, the ending, these are symbols or signs that this is a nationality. This is an adjective taken out of the noun America. The same happens with Faransi, Faransiya, French and French, Arabiya, Arabiya, Arab, Arab. So it happens with the majority of nationalities. So A and Iya are the symbols that this is a nationality and this is an adjective taken from the name, noun, America. So, how to say things in Arabic? How to say United States of America in Arabic? الولايات المتحدة الأمريكية. You are from, so you can say أنا من, I'm from الولايات المتحدة الأمريكية, or أنا من الولايات المتحدة, or أنا من أمريكا. Okay, also أنا من أمريكا, or I'm the nationality, I'm the adjective أنا أمريكي, but I'm not a male. So, أنا أمريكية. I'm a female. Alright, I hope you like this kind of new lessons. This is a series that I'm going to repeat once a week, and it's going to be online every Monday. Every Monday you will have a lesson about how to say this thing in Arabic. The first lesson is about الولايات الأمريكية المتحدة, because you might hear it a lot in the news and it's a very popular topic nowadays with Mr. Trump. So I decided to start with الولايات الأمريكية المتحدة. I will see you in the following Arabic lesson. With me, Maha. Thank you for my patrons. I really appreciate your support, even though I've been absent, but you're still supporting me and you believe in my project and in my will to expand the knowledge or to pass the knowledge of my language and my culture. So thank you so much, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the following Arabic lesson with me, Maha. Assalamu.